Morning, Leo. Wow. Now you know me. Huh? You know me now, Leo? How are you? Where is Snowy? No, I will not hurt you. Don't be afraid. How's my baby? Huh? Come. Come. Thank you. Hello. Hello, Leo. Where's Snowy? Snowy. Still aloof? You still aloof, Leo? We are in third time meets now. What happened? Why are you staring me like that? Huh? You think that I'm gonna hurt you? No, I am not. I love you. I love you, Leo. Hi, do you love me? Sleepy again? What happened, Leo? Leo, the cute guy. This guy, the small guy, the beautiful guy. How are you, Leo? What do you want? You want my food? No, you're not allowed. That's mine. And you cannot eat that. See the. What are you doing? You're smelling my food? You cannot eat that. It's for me. Hey, how are you? How are you doing, Leia? Hey, Leia. I miss you. Mm. Don't bite me, huh? Okay, good morning. So I need to change my shoes first, okay? Say good morning, everyone. Bye-bye. See you later.